Hi there everyone, and in this video I will show you how to get Instagram QR code. This QR code can be used in your business card. You can share it to your friends and many more things you can do. So first of all, let me just go to the Instagram. Alright, here you go. So then you need to tap on the little profile icon on the bottom right side corner. So tap on that and here you go. It's very simple. Just tap on the share button and there you have it. So now you will get three options like share profile, copy link and download. So I will prefer you to tap on the download and you can do it. So as you can see, we got an emoji like the smiley emoji right on the QR code. So if you just want to change the emoji, you need to tap on anywhere in the screen, then you will get lots of emoji like here. So you need to select one of the emojis and it will be changed. But if you don't want the emoji, you can also do that by tapping on the emoji on the bottom side. Just tap on that and then again tap, and now you will get a solid color. Alright, here you go. And again, if you want to change the color, you need to tap anywhere in the screen like this and the color will be changed. So that's how you can get the QR code on Instagram. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not. And I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.